formation of glucose or glycogen is also possible by other special pathway, which is the conversion of glycerol to glucose, which can then form glycogen 2. This glycerol is the product of metabolism of adipose tissue, and it is produced by the process of lipolysis. So the tissues which have the enzyme glycerokinase can utilize this glycerol. And this enzyme is present in liver, kidneys, heart muscles, lactating mammary gland, and intestinal mucosa, whereas it is absent in adipose tissues. Now see this other special pathway for formation of glucose or glycogen from glycerol. Glycerol does not enter the metabolic pathway. It is first activated to glycerophosphate, and this is required the enzyme, as I told you, glycerokinase, which also required ATP, adenosine triphosphate, which occur principally in liver and kidneys. So first, glycerol is converted to glycerophosphate by presence of enzyme glycerokinase and ATP. This glycerophosphate is oxidized to dihydroxyacetone phosphate, which require the enzyme glycerol 3-phosphate dehydrogenase and NAD. As you know, this dihydroxyacetone phosphate is interconvertible to glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. And the enzyme required for its conversion, the conversion of dihydroxyacetone phosphate to glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is triose phosphate isomerase. Then this pathway connects the triose phosphate stages of glycolytic pathway, and triose phosphate can enter the reversal glycolysis process after the conversion to fructose 1,6-biphosphate, which you also saw in the process of glycolysis, and then ultimately glucose formation is occurred. See here, glycerol first converted to glycerol 3-phosphate or glycerol 3-phosphate, which then converted to dihydroxyacetone phosphate, and it is interconvertible to glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. And then two molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate are involved in the formation of fructose 1,6-diphosphate, and that is a reversible reaction. So in this way, glycerol participate in the formation of glucose or glycogen, and it is another pathway of gluconeogenesis. Hope you got understood the process of gluconeogenesis. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.